Purple. The grapes are purple. Lavender. The lavender field is beautiful. Violet. African violet in full bloom, glowing with violet color. Indigo. The indigo flycatcher is a small bird with deep indigo feathers. Iris. The iris blooms in soft purple-blue petals. Eggplant. This fresh eggplant is deep, dark eggplant purple. Mauve. This macaron shell is soft mauve. Plum. This lipstick is a deep plum color. Lilac. The flowers are a soft lilac color. Purple. Lavender. Violet. Indigo. Iris. Eggplant. Mauve. Plum. Lilac.